What is up, everybody? Very happy to be back today. Very happy to be back today. Check out where I am. I am at the beautiful Bear Mountain in New York State. And not only am I at the beautiful Bear Mountain, but I am bodybuilding. Bodybuilding with a view like this. Where else can you do this? How else can you do this? The only way you can do this, Handy Gym. That is it. So in case you guys haven't heard me talk about how amazing Handy Gym is enough, I'm back with another video today telling you that I am bodybuilding in what looks like paradise. Beautiful breeze, beautiful scenery, can't ask for more than this. I'm gonna get back to my workout now. Feel free to check out the other million Handy Gym videos I've done in case you guys want to be able to live like this, which I recommend everybody to do. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.